In question 23, we're looking at travelling along lines of latitude. Now, whilst lines of longitude will all have the radius of 6371, as you can imagine, travelling from the equator to the North Pole, the lines of latitude get progressively smaller till we hit, in theory, on top of the North Pole, a dot point. And same, going down the southern hemisphere, as we increase our lines of latitude, our radius and circumference markedly decrease. Now, we cover this in our work with a modified great circle formula, 2 pi r theta, but we multiply it by the cos of the latitude, divided by 360. Now, as we're doing these particular problems, make sure when you're setting out that you've got a nice circle. I've drawn the line of latitude of 75 degrees south, so slicing through the planet, looking down to 75 south. And in this instance, I'm going from A, which is 45 degrees east, to B, which is 100 degrees west. Now, unless we're told otherwise, your angular difference is the smaller of the two. So it'll be 100 there, 45 there. Theta is equal to 145 degrees. Now, carrying out that calculation, I do the following. 2 times pi times 6371 times the 145 times the cos of 75 and divide that by 360. So on the calculator, the following. I end up with 4173 kilometres. Now clearly, if I'd done that close to the equator, the distances involved would have been bigger. Towards the South Pole even further, smaller again. Looking now at 23C, we're looking at latitude 25 degrees north. So this time, plane of view, taking a slice across the planet 25 degrees north. And I'm going from 35 degrees west to 25 degrees west. So I'm just taking a little slice there. So A, 35 degrees west, and B, 25 degrees west, which counts for a 10-degree difference. So going through the calculation as before, but multiplied by the cos of 25, when I carry that out, I'll end up with an answer of the order of 1,008 kilometres. So the reminders. We're dealing with small circles. We're looking at a decreasing radius and circumference of the planet. When we're dealing with great circles and we're going along a lot of longitude, they are the same radiuses in each case. Always draw yourself a cross section or a side view if we're looking at great circles like that.